In this tutorial, I need to add some details exist here in this area. If we maximize this image right here, we can see what we have here. So this piece, I want to create it. I will minimize this image a bit and hit 1 from the numpad to jump to the front view. And now I think I need to switch to wireframe, so I just need to hit Z and move the mouse to the wireframe here. And I have the details that exist here. So the first thing that I want to do is bring the 3D cursor and put it right here. And to do that, is just I need to select this piece and hit Shift S and then choose cursor to selected. And there we go. Now I need to add something. So Shift A to add, and let's add a cube. The cube is very, very big, 200 centimeter. I will add here 10 centimeter. Yeah, now it's become small, so hit S to scale it, G to the Z to move it to the Z axis right here, and now I can hit Control A to apply the scale and tap to go to the edit mode. Now I have to do some tweaking here. The first thing that I want to do is add an edge loop, Control R, and add the edge right here and just move it at this level. Grab these vertices, G to the Z, and grab them down almost right here. Grab those 4 vertices, it's written here 4 vertices, hit S and scale them to the x-axis just like that. Hit G twice and move them up, slide them just like that, and there we go. Grab these, G to the Z, with this right here, scale them to the x a bit, scale these to the x a bit, and now we are on the safe side. So let's tumble around and let's see what we got so far. We got this result right here. I will tap to the object mode key and move them forward and go to the solid mode, and let's see now what we got. We got this result. Maybe I need to take this up a bit, G to the Z. Let's push this up right here, and I need to make the slice. So the first thing that I want to do is select this piece, and let's see what we got here. Let's see the subdivision that I got. I will hit Y to activate wireframe, and if you don't assign Y as wireframe toggle, you can go to the, let's see, where should we go, to this option right here. It's called object properties, and you need to go to the viewport display and activate wireframe here from this option. Anyway, let's go back to the modifier properties, and here we have a mirror and subdivision. I will deactivate the optimal display just to see the subdivision right here, because if you activate this option you will not see all the subdivision. So sorry, you will not see all wireframe. So I think this amount of polygon is nice for me, so I'm going to apply everything here. To apply these, you can hit apply here and apply here, or you can hit Control A and visual geometry to mesh. That's gonna apply everything. Or you can go to object and convert mesh from curve. That's gonna apply, give you the same result here. So now I will turn off the wireframe. I don't want it. So select this piece and then hold Shift, grab the target, and to make the slice just hit Control slash from the numpad, and we should have a slice, and that's right, we got it. So now I need to apply this. So grab this, go to this panel, open it, go to the edit and apply all. This one apply, this one apply, and let's see what we got so far. So let's select this piece and isolate it, just hit slash to see what we got. We got some weird shape we got here. I need to delete it. So tap to the edit mode and hover over this piece and hit L to make link select, and this one, and to delete them just hit XF to delete the faces. And now we just ended with this piece right here. So what we're going to do is I will switch to the edge mode, alt click to select the entire edge loop. If that doesn't work, let's see what we got. Let's switch to the vertex mode and let's see what we can do here. Let's weld some vertices here. Just activate auto merge here and gitwise and just weld this to avoid any problem if we add bevel. So let's do the same thing here, gitwise, and weld this one gitwise and slide them, and now we are in the safe side. This one, and now let's see what else we can do here for this gitwise. That's it, that's cool. Now let's hit number 3 and hit A to select everything, and go just to select, and then select loop and select boundary loop to select just the boundary. When you complete that, just hit E and extrude it just like that, and that's it. That's all what you want. As you see, we got problem with the normal. As you see here, we don't have a sharp edge here, so we need to go to the object data properties and activate auto smooth here, and now it's perfect. Let's see what we got here. We got some weird issue here because of the amount here at 30 the degree, and this, as you see, the angle right here, the angle here is not 30, it's less than 30, is maybe 11. So what we can do, we need to take this down. So let's take this down. As no, it is 20. Yeah, it's 20. 20 will work fine, as you see here. So now, as you see, it's cool. We have some weird shading here. Let's see why that's happened. Maybe because of some vertices here, gitwise, and let's weld these. And maybe I can grab this Control X to dissolve it. The same thing, grab this, Control X, grab this, Control X to dissolve this one. Maybe I got some weird edge here, Control X to dissolve it. Now what we got, I think I have double edge here, twice. Yeah, that's right, I have double edge here. Let's see how can I fix this. Yeah, I got them. Grab this one, Control X, and now, yeah, now it's clean. Let's hit slash to jump out of the local mode, and let's grab this piece and let's hit slash to isolate it, and let's see what we can do here. As you see, we have a cut here because of the slice operation that we did. Tap to the edit mode now, and let's switch to the vertex, and let's merge some vertices just to avoid any problem. Maybe I need to merge this one with this one, or grab this gitwise and merge it just like that. The same thing here, gitwise and merge this. And let's see what else we can do here for this one. Maybe I can gitwise and merge this and slide this one right here. Yeah, that's not gonna cause any problem. What about this piece right here? Let's merge this. This one right here, we have a very bad edge here. Let's grab all this edge. This is not gonna work. Let's zoom in a bit, grab this, Control X to remove this one. Alt click to select this entire edge loop, Control X to dissolve it. Alt click here, Control X. I think now it is clean, but we got some issue right here. We need to fix it. Gitwise and move it. The same thing here, gitwise. And what about this edge? I don't want it. I got some problem here, and maybe let's see what we got here. Gitwise, merge this one, dissolve this with Control X. And what else we can do here? I think that's it. I think that's gonna work. Now let's switch to the edge and let's select this entire edge loop. Alt click, Alt left click, E, and take this back to the to the Y axis, not to the X. Just push it a bit back, and let's see now what we got. Well, now we got this result, and as you see, the same issue, we got problem with the shading. Now let's go to the object data properties, and let's activate auto smooth, and let's take this down to 20, not 220, sorry. And there we go. That's nice. Very clean, very nice. So now let's hit slash. And the next step, we need to give them a bevel. Let's start with this one, and let's go to the this option is called modifier properties, and let's add a bevel. The bevel now is working and is applied on all the edges. If we hit Y to understand, as you see, the bevel is applied on all the edges here. I just need the bevel focus. I just need the bevel to be applied on the to be applied on the edges on the corner. So let's switch this to angle, and the bevel segment, let's switch this to 2 maybe. I think that's gonna work. 2 maybe. And what about harden normal is very important to activate, and it's 10 centimeter, very very big. Let's take this to 0.1 maybe. 0.1 is very big also. Let's take this to 0.01 or maybe 0.02. I think 0.02 is I think 0.02 will work. Maybe 0.03. Yeah, now it's better. The same thing, let's select this one, hold shift to grab this, control L to link the same modifier, and let's select the same modifier, and I think that's gonna work. Let's isolate this piece alone to see if is there any problem here because of the bevel modifier, because as I think it's applied right here on this area. So let's see what we can do here. The angle is 30. Maybe I need to crank this up a bit, and let's see the result. Does that affect? Let's see what we got here. Oops, I got some problem. Here. I didn't extrude this edge. I don't know why that's happened. Well, E to the Y. Let's take this right about here, and let's switch to the vertex mode G. I think they weld automatically. That's right. That's happened because we activated auto merge, by the way. Just don't forget that. Well, now let's see what else we can do. Is everything correct where we are now? Let's switch to the object mode. Alright, now it's nice, almost clean. We don't have big issue here. Let's hit slash. Let's see what we have here. I think we have the bevel is applied on this area too. No, there is no any problem. That's cool. All right, now let's hit slash, and let's see the final result that we got here. It's nice. I like it. All right, so I'm going to end this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I'm going to add some details right here. So see you in the next tutorial.